Can you just imagine sitting out back with a cup of coffee on your covered back porch, watching the sun rise over the endless blooming cotton fields? In the tucked away neighborhood of Old Battles Village, you will find this immaculate home that features peaceful settings all around. This is truly a hidden gem of Fairhope.
Old Battles Village provides several social opportunities to gather with your friends and neighbors. There's so much to enjoy for people of all ages in this walking neighborhood. Whether you are on the playground or enjoying your days off at the pool, you have found a grand lifestyle here in Old Battles Village. Social gatherings are abundant during the year in this community, which makes 394 Craftsman Avenue the Fairhope home you've been looking for.